Look up, boo. Hey.
Looking like a Chick-fil-A to look.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Guess where we're going today? We're going to the beach. I'm so excited. Of course, I'm the last one out the house again. I'm trying to get us like a blanket and then a towel. I got our Ninja Turtle blanket, but I can't find the other one for some reason. This light, I don't need the carrier. Got my phone, turn off this light. So we got a bunch of food and a bunch of snacks and a bunch of drinks so we can stay for a while. Oh, my camera's so foggy. All right, let's go. All right, we just got to the beach. Everybody just woke up. Yeah, you ready? You ready? Please. Girl's ready. She finally just woke up. We're about to get you out. Oh yeah, you guys, I did my nails. Don't I look like a professional that did them, y'all? Because I did them. And I am a professional. Oh, you a hater. You hear Joey? Trying to hate on me. This is another example of why I think he's gonna need glasses. Because look, he's scared to walk on the pavement. Come on, baby. It's just a different ground texture. You're not gonna fall. Come on. Okay. Ooh, we found our spot, y'all. Look at Joey looking strong. Look up, boo. Hey.
Looking like a Chick-fil-A to look.
Yes, Lord. We got a couple over here arguing. Talking hella SHIT. So we here for the drama. Every time I put Evie down, she's like running to the sand and trying to put it in her mouth. It's so gross. Mama. Shake it. You ready, girl? Let's go. You guys, Evie is so cute. She likes crawling in the water. I'm gonna show y'all when we go back out there, but the kids wanted a break. We got Cass over here with the kite. Look how cute. He's so excited. He don't want to share with Gunner, so he over there being mad. This girl is so on the move. She does not want to sit still. She's just all out in the open. Hi, Mama. Hi, honey. Hi. So cute. It is the perfect day. We've been out here for like 3 hours already, and I think we're probably gonna stay another 3. Okay, I'm gonna see how she reacts with the water. Look, Mama girl. Babe, look. Give him the water. Ooh, look at you. Oh my God, she's so cute. Don't put that in your mouth, no. Crazy girl. Oh, here comes the water. No. Good job. Here's another piece of candy. Hopefully that worked. As we just got home, look at Cass.
Cass, come on, man. You stop? Come on.
Now that is pure laziness. Get
your
up,
arm
baby.
out. Get your arm.
Come on, Mama got ice cream and cookies.
Come on. Get your arm out. This way. Come to this way.
Oh my God. Okay, the kids are exhausted. Yeah, Cass got hit by the wave way too many times, you guys. I swear, when we buy our house, we're definitely getting a pool in the backyard. I don't want anything out of pool, okay? I just got out of the shower, y'all. Joey over here talking crap about me because he said I'd be talking too much. He said he'd be in deep thought. I just be talking his ear off. Because I keep telling Gunner don't ever be quiet because he keep talking.
Mama.
And you got it from Mama, that's right.
No way.
But I got a package Thank you, y'all. So all this stuff I got for Evie. Look how cute. And
That is cute.
See, I told you it looked cuter in person, didn't I? Joey didn't like this one, but I told him wait till you see it in person. It's so cute.
It looks like she could be trying out for a Billy house.
She can actually wear this now because I got her 6 to 12 months. And look how cute this one is, you guys. Look. Oh, don't you love that?
Yeah.
Cheetah girls, cheetah sisters.
That'd be perfect for a Jaguar game.
A Jaguar. Oh yeah, it would be, wouldn't it?
That's what everybody wears out.
They wear cheetah.
Leopard print and cheetah, yeah.
We are sisters. We stand together. And this is another dress that I saw. It's so cute. I love it so much. Look how cute this little dress is. What? She gonna stay here?
Yeah.
Look how cute this is, honey.
No, that's
I
cute.
don't like
cute.
it. I don't like it.
You don't like it?
I like it. I like it. I don't like it.
And I got one more thing. I think this is actually only half the order. Yeah, I think this is only half the order. The other part is supposed to come. I think maybe. Can I talk? I think my other order should be coming here soon. It should come in today. This is what I got for Gunner. Yes. This one for Dede.
No,
That's
this
it.
is mine.
I did that. Let me see.
See, look.
No, that's that shirt.
Dede shirt.
Yeah.
You want it?
That's that shirt.
Mama bought this for Gunner.
That's that shirt.
Tell Dede he need to calm down. Tell Dede calm down.
That's mine.
That's that shirt, dude.
See the shark eating the pizza? You
Pizza.
see it? Wait, you gotta eat your food first. I don't want that rice to get on it. You see? You see the pizza in there? See the pizza? And this stuff I got from Old Navy. Look, girl. Babe, she walked right to the stairs, stopped and looked back. Look, she's like, she knows how to climb up the stairs now. Look at her. What you doing? What you doing, girl? Look how cute her little onesie is. I love these little hearts. They're so cute. Look at these boys.
41, 42, 43.
What? Okay, I'll find your shark in just a second.
45.
But anyway, you guys, so we found a new movie. We found a new show. It's called what's it called?
Outsiders.
The Outsiders, and it's with that guy Jason Bateman of the Ozark. It's just a little confusing. So if you've watched it, I don't know what to tell you. But alright, you guys, so we're gonna watch that show that I was telling you guys about. But I'm just gonna end the vlog here because we're just gonna watch a movie and then I'm gonna make some cookies and ice cream. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, be linked down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.